everyone! Brace yourselves! You're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time! Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in!
假着的，哎呀！靠！
У нас даже ворон на горках катаются.
Смотри, смотри, опять пошла. Вон оттуда сейчас. Что она спрыгнула? Сейчас обратно оттуда, чтобы она ехала.
The Bird Winter Olympics has officially begun.
Oh my goodness, he's actually riding it! No way! This is the best thing I've ever seen! And he's taking... That's so cool, man! Yeah, it's actually not that bad. No, it's not that bad!
That's that $500 a roll magic tape. We are safe. Probably.
Hit him with.
Oh my god.
Bro, what the f is Spain on? What? Dude, that is not real, bro. Who the f like buys that in Spain? I don't.
Hey, excuse me.
Yo.
Hey. Hey, excuse me.
He holds too much power in that hallway.
It's staring at me. They followed me home from the gifting rock. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning right now.
Koliko sam te sam se zadrao jedan. O, te ja s jabukovi, ja ba, ne vem.
It keeps you cool and terrified at the same time.
Hello? Hello?
How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money.
Oh yes, I have to.
Whack-A-Mole 4K Ultra HD Edition.
Nighttime flight. Oh, there she goes. Holy shit. We're going down the block. We're going down the...
Таня сейчас прыгать будет.
Got it. Video was sponsored by
He just wanted to inspect the grass quality.
Вот посмотрите на человека и как он выглядит в ширину и в высоту.
Oh, what? Watch out, Kia.
Is that a robot?
Same day delivery? More like same second delivery.
Smoking. Open the door. You can't turn it off?
Please clean the dirty spot ya. Lihat ya. Goblok.
Okay, go ahead.
Có sao ơi? Dắt tao thiên. Vậy cái mình lấy.
Oh, back order. Estimated to ship August 13th.
Oh my God.
What?
Look next to you.
What happened?
Look, come on. Just come in. Come in. Look who's right there.
Oh, jeez.
That was you on the phone and you on the bus. Then who was flickering the lights?
That cat chose chaos.
Easy.
sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you turn the same speed as the fan.
Oh my god!
Unexpected trick shot.
Hi, girlies. Good morning. You look beautiful. Are you pregnant yet?
Bruh.
That's exactly how I feel when people ask us. I'm so sorry.
On today's episode of Whose Head is Shinier?
Ooh, I wonder how reflective.
That's very fucking
Oh no.
reflective. Oh my god!
That is so loud.
Where is he? Oh my god, I knew it. I knew it. Look at the size of him.
No one ever believes me that geckos can get this big.
Dude.
You're giving him a whole piece? What is...
Oversized pizza slice. Oh no.
What's the question?
For passengers, we currently have a swan on the line, hence why I'm going so slow.
Oh no.
Oh my god. That's awesome.
Just doing some home improvements around the house. We just installed our first door. Let's see how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.
A first-time mom cat.
Alright boys, so I'm here in Canada and this gotta be the most Canadian shit I've seen in my life. Like, it's like, look at this first of all. It's like, they're like, oh yeah, let's make it a sliding door. And then when they put the sliding door, they were like, oh shit, people can fall off. So let me just add this glass right here in case people don't. Like, I'm so confused.
Oh, Lord.
Stop! Stop! No! No!
About to get some ice cream. We about to see this shit. Oh.
E noi lavoriamo nella meccanica di precisione, tecnologie avanzate.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no! That car just became a 5-star shelter.
Tecnologia! 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 Tecnologia!
Like not a first-round quarterback, like a quarterback at all. And think about it, the Giants have had no...
Whoop, whoop.
I kurwa kolejna kubica. O kurwa! Ja pierdolę! Nagrałem!
This, but answer a question.
Oh, that was so cute. Ok, stai indietro e metti le gambe! Sei caduto? Solo sei caduto?
Stupid! Oh no!
What's that black stuff on the top, Dad?
This is an African-American grilled cheese sandwich.
Is that like seasoning or what is that?
Yeah,
black
seasoning. It's
stuff?
really good. You should try it.
Ready? Oh, that's nice.
Really, nigga?
I think my oil's supposed to be in the motor.
That don't go there.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
What kind of match am I even watching?
Go through there! Go through there! No! No!
No!
No! No! No! No!
What? So it Windows?
Honestly, how does something like this happen? The curtain.
What's up? I like your car. What's up? And I finally cut it with the wire on the other side. Just punched myself in the face.
Bruh.
Okay, so I walked in the kitchen and this totally scared me.
Imagine looking out the window at 3 a.m. and seeing this.
It's for the boys. Wait, what's going on here?
Then you guys will be able to infiltrate.
Bro spawned in the wrong lobby.
Who is it? Daddy? That's Daddy?
That's your reward for never skipping leg day.
Why does my neighbor have this at his house?
Nope. Nope.
Looking to catch it and gets the doink.
Bruh.
Head torch and he grabbed me round the knuckles.
Le volant braqué comme ça, j'ai mis deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième. Je dis bon Dieu, bon Dieu, bon Dieu, je vais passer très 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 près du bouton électrique.
Oh, no, but I'm thinner, look.
Come on.
Look, I wouldn't get stuck.
Go on.
No, I wouldn't get stuck. Look at me go.
Mm?
4, 3.
It seems like she doesn't like this rope.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
Erstmal soll man wieder in seinen Arbeitsbereich zurückkehren und dann. Jesus Maria, was ist denn da?
Yes, Jesus loves me for the.
Smile has left the chat.
Oh, here come the food right now. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
No way.
Y'all pulled up on me. I would have seen y'all niggas. I was outside.